guys, welcome back to Rosie's Playhouse. Today I'm going to be doing my third unboxing ever. So this is actually the Littlest Pet Shop Twinkling Friends collection that actually glow in the dark. And this came out in 2012. And I got this at an antique store. There was just a small cabinet with a bunch of old and new toys, and it's a super cool place. And this set actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters and a brush. And most of the characters have names. So this fairy's name is Moon Shimmer Fairy. This fairy's name is Moon Wink Fairy. This fairy's name is Star Gleam Fairy. This fairy's name is Star Blink Fairy. And this fairy's name is Star Wink Fairy. And this human fairy does not have a name. And here's the little brush. All of the little characters look so cute, so let's start opening up the package. So I have one side of the box open. Alright, got them out. So this is the cute little background it came with, and I'm actually going to keep this. So here it is out of the box, and here is the cute little doll, and the 5 little fairies, and the brush, and I will get all of those things out. So I got the first one out, and I think this one might be one of my favorites because I really like her wings, and I like her bow, and I just think that she is super cute. And of course it has the little LPS sign and her cute little tail. And she is a cute Littlest Pet Shop fairy. And here is the little brush that I'm guessing you have to brush the doll's hair with. Here is the next super duper cute fairy, and I just love her wings and her cute little hair. She's just super cute. She is actually my favorite. And especially her tail and her little stripes and the star at the end. I just love her. And here's the next very cute fairy. She has some glow in the dark stars on her head, and those beautiful wings, her cute little tail with the star at the end just like hers. And I love this one, especially her cute little eyes and eyelashes. Here is the next mint and purple colored one, and she is actually very cool. I especially like her antennas. And the little star on her belly too. And how could I forget one of the most cutest ones? so adorable. She reminds me of like a little wolf. I love her. And of course, our cute little doll with her cute little tiara, which is glow in the dark, of course. And our cute little tails, purple and pink. And how could I forget her beautiful wings? Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!